Yo, it's your boy Bookie back at again with a new video. Today I want to talk about my Defi Pet, and honestly the reason I really haven't invested any of my money into this game is just because you're not able to make money from this game, mostly because there is no marketplace. You're allowed to breed, you're allowed to spend money in this game, but there really is no way for you to make money right now. This game came out 4 months ago, so it's a really early stages of the game. The pets that they have and seeing people that are actually into the community, just watching other people's YouTube videos and seeing how many monsters that they have. They have so many. So once they have the market space available for people to sell, I just feel like the marketplace is going to be flooded. Then after they allow people to actually make money from the game from selling and stuff like that, I I know like you maybe had to spend like $15 to breed. I believe you had to pay $3 just to even get an egg. And for me, I just don't want to invest into a game that isn't like fully developed to the point where everything is just speculation. And that's the main reason I don't want to focus on it, because there is probably four other crypto video games that you can actually make money from. And even though they might not be as good as my DeFi Pet as in potential, because looking at Axie Infinity, maybe my DeFi Pet can be the next Axie Infinity with lands, but that's just speculation and it's still in the early stages. So even comparing it to Axie Infinity, that is still in the beta stage or alpha stage, I believe, but it is a game that you can actually make money from. And even though Axie Infinity is not fully developed, it still has a lot of updates coming, and there's a lot of problems with the network on Axie Infinity. I still probably would be more bullish on Axie Infinity just because it still has the ability for the gameplay, and just so many people are interested in Axie Infinity. Even though my DeFi Pet has went crazy, the past month I believe it went up over 200% in the past month alone. I remember seeing the token, the cryptocurrency, going from $1 to $6, an insane amount of growth in the past month alone. I just don't want to invest in the project just because, even though it might have a lot of potential. I believe this video game exploded in Vietnam, if I'm correct. I know the Philippines is very active into the NFT video games, or Axie Infinity especially, but I believe this crypto project blew up in Vietnam. If I read the article, barely read anything, but just saw like the headlines of an article. And I do see video games that can make money as the future of all video games, but that's, to me right now, my DeFi Pet may have potential, but I'll wait till people can actually sell their stuff and just see what the marketplace is going. I just don't want to invest all my money into something that I don't know when I'll be able to be profitable. So that's just my thoughts on my DeFi Pet. It's your boy Mark Makes Money. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Peace.